Do you want to know how to refer a friend in the Blackball Market secure clan area? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to delve into the specifics of this process. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on this enlightening journey. First off, if you're already a client of Blackball Markets, you've got a head start. Your first step is to log into the Blackball Market secure clan area. If you're not a client yet, don't worry, it's an easy fix. You can become one in under 5 minutes. Click on either Live or Demo to create a new account. You'll find these options under the Login button. Moving on, once you've logged in or created your account, your next destination is the Refer a Friend tab. This is where the magic happens. Here you'll find your very own unique Refer a Friend code. This code is like your golden ticket. It's the key to referring friends and reaping the benefits. Now, armed with your unique code, it's time to share it with the world. You can send it to your friends via social media, email, blogs, or any other means that you prefer. The more, the merrier. Once your friend receives your code, they'll need to sign up. But they can't dawdle. They'll have 90 days to meet the deposit and trade requirements. Time waits for no one, so make sure they're aware of this. And what happens after your friend meets these requirements? Well, that's when the celebrations can begin. You both will receive the deposit bonus straight into your trading accounts. It's a win-win situation, really. You get to help a friend and receive a reward for it. So, there you have it. The process of referring a friend in the Blackball Market secure clan area is as simple as that. Log in or sign up, locate your unique code, share it with your friends, and wait for them to meet the requirements. Then, enjoy your well-earned bonus. Easy, isn't it? Now it's your turn to put this knowledge into action. Good luck and happy trading.